Now, if you are a small business owner, there's a perpetual problem as a business owner that you have, especially in businesses, is how to make my employees stay. In smaller businesses, that's a regular challenge. And if they don't stay, how can I fill that position quickly to avoid any business disruption? Hi, this is Priscilla Kambata, a business coach and a community builder of hundreds of software entrepreneurs, where I'm scaling it up for them through my simple Business Aviv program, which is easy to implement, and its intention is to give the entrepreneurs the freedom of money, the freedom of time, and the freedom of team. So today I want to give you these five tips towards your talent optimization. So if you're a small company or a medium company or even large company, these 5 tips are super critical to your cost efficiency, to your employee retention, to your employee satisfaction, and sustainable business growth. So let's look at these 5 tips. The first one is that you've got to identify your critical key positions and those positions that really need a backup. So you do a workforce planning so that on the most critical positions, you're really looking at the budgets, the cost, the time to hire, and you must hire a backup at a lower level for all of these critical positions, and also ensure that regular training is happening there. So second one is you want to utilize a bench stretch strategy, where you're really keeping a buffer of 1 or 2 cross train and keep people ready in case they need to double hack or switch roles. Third is you want new talent. Okay, now if you want new talent, you want to do new talent based recruitment. So this is really very critical, because this needs a lot of effort. New recruitments need a lot of effort. It needs expenses, ads, search, interviews, background checks, training costs, employee induction, employee expectations, managing their expectations, if he or she is right fit to your culture. So really please consider all of these factors so that you really are avoiding the risk of hiring a wrong employee, which definitely is a huge cost. Fourth, always be on a lookout on portals like LinkedIn and any other portals, speaking to candidates for your key positions, which are sales, marketing, project delivery, etc. Have a very dedicated person who really interviews these people once in 2 weeks, so you have a talent pool ready once in 2 months. Okay, that is very important. The fifth one is build your sales revenue to have this talent pipeline filled. Yes, so continuous recruitment and bench stretch strategies, these are indeed important concepts, much like your continuous sales effort for the sustainable growth and success of an organization. So continuity in recruitment, just like continuity in sales, is just equal. So now this goes just beyond filling up of positions, but it means you have talent pool of qualified individuals, you have market information, you have market demands, you're reducing your time to hire. It leads to employer branding, because you're showing so much of culture and positivity and opportunities for growth. And with bench stretch, you're ensuring that the business continuity is in a flow, and you're also satisfying employees, and you're not scared of people leaving and going. So in conclusion, an approach to recruitment and bench stretch is really fundamental for your organization through these 5 steps. Which are the 5 steps? Let's just encompass these once again. One is identifying critical key positions that really need backup. Second is utilizing a bench stretch strategy, so you have 1 or 2 buffers. Third is need-based recruitment. Fourth is continuously being on the portals looking for critical positions that you need. Fifth is you want to build your sales revenue for your team budget so that your talent pipeline is always full. Now take these learnings. I have really kept these learnings, and if you want to really continue learning, then please do join in my 2 hours of talent optimization strategies webinar, which I call the Business Aviv program, for these entrepreneurs who really want to grow, who really want to scale up their business. And this is where I break down for my participants what are the 6 keys to have, where you are going to have your A players and your Avengers team that really can skyrocket your business and bring your business on steroids. So remember, business is after all a team sport. So click on the link below, join my webinar, and I will see you on the other side.